What's up, YouTube? We got another video coming out today. Today we're going to be building this bad boy. It's another Brickheadz here. This is the Pets one. We got Chick and Budgie. I'm assuming that's Budgie. We got number 124, number 125 of the Brickheadz there, and this is set number 40443. 261 pieces in this set. Like I said, it's the Brickheadz Pets. And they got a couple more here. They got, looks like some dogs, cats, and some fish. I don't know if I have any of these three. I'll have to double check here with that. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump into this one. Alright, there's that one. That one took a little longer than I expected. It's kind of cool, like it's sitting in a tray or something right there. See that? In the tray, each little bird sitting on this little perch kind of thing there, and they got little printed stuff on there like it's wood. You just put it right there. That's the bigger bird, and then same thing with a smaller bird. And then they just kind of sit in this little thing here. And I actually put, for once I put the sticker on this one, and then it came with another one, I guess, to change out. I put that sticker on there, and it came with a couple extra pieces there like it normally does. It wasn't bad. I just thought it was a lot of small pieces there. That's the only thing I can think of, like doing this back piece and then the sides of this bird here. So again, that is LEGO Brickheadz set number 40443, 261 pieces, and it's the Brickheadz Pets with Chick and Budgie. Again, that is Brickheadz set number 40443, 261 pieces. It's the Brickheadz Pets with Chick and Budgie, number 125 and 124. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and we will catch you on the next one.